So we'll go soul wave. Just gonna turn it into a pluck. I like to kind of like nudge these delays so it's a little bit, sounds kind of like analog. And then I'll put the reverb and bring that up. Let's give it a test. Not even gonna lie, shout out to Thea for this one. It's a really simple, just like have the default sawtooth, create like a pluck with your envelope. I just turn up the sustain because I want it to be a little bit more like a synth. Then in the effects, he just said put the chorus on like 100%. I just pulled it back. Delay and reverb, just some standard stuff. I turn the size up, especially for that old kind of cloud rap stuff. So I guess that's how you make a cloud rap type beat.